Okay, so next question is 2500 cc of oxygen was burnt with 600 cc of ethane. So this is basically a combustion of hydrocarbon, and we have to calculate the volume of unused oxygen and volume of carbon dioxide formed. So basically first we have to write down the chemical equation of ethane and oxygen. So whenever any hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen, or it burns, or it's a combustion reaction, the byproduct or the products are always carbon dioxide and water, okay, or steam you can say, because the reaction temperature would be really high. So here C2H2 reacts with O2 to form CO2 plus H2O. As we can see, the reaction is not at all balanced. So first we have to balance the chemical equation. So on the LHS we can see it's a 2 carbon. So we will multiply this side by 2. So carbon is now balanced. Here we can see on the LHS there's a 6 hydrogen, and here we have only 2. So we'll balance by multiplying with 3. So it's 3 to the 6. Okay. But on the LHS we can see there's only 2 oxygen. But on the RHS that is 2 to the 4, that is 4 plus 3 ones are 3. So there we have only 7. So basically 7 oxygen, okay, 7 O and not O2. But here we have 2 O. So what do? We have to multiply this by 7. No, we cannot multiply this by 7, as it will form 7 to the 14. So can we do by 7 by 2? No, we cannot write down the fraction. We have to write down the whole number only. So what can we do? We can multiply the whole chemical equation by 2. So here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. So now the chemical equation balance: 4 carbon, 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 hydrogen, and 7 to the 14 oxygen. So definitely 4 to the 8 plus 6, 6 plus 8 is nothing but 14 oxygen. Okay, so definitely the chemical equation is balanced, and as per the Lussac law we can write down the simple whole number ratios, that is 7 into dash, 4 into dash, and 6 into dash. And as we know, the value of this would be always same. According to Lussac law, all the gases, reactants and products bears the simple whole number ratio. Now let's write down the values given to us. So 600 cc of ethane is given to us, and 2500 cc of oxygen is given to us. Then we have asked to find out the value of unused oxygen and the volume of carbon dioxide. So let's first try to find the volume of unused oxygen. So if 2 into A is equals to 600 cc, so what would be the value of A? 600 by 2, which is nothing but 300 cc. So on the place of A it would be 300. Okay, so here we can get to know that is the 7 3s are 2100. Okay, so if the whole volume was 2500 minus the volume used, which is 2100, so remaining volume is 400 cc of unused oxygen. Okay, 400 cc of unused oxygen. So we got to know the first answer. Now the second, what would be the volume of carbon dioxide formed? Here we can say easily it is 1200 cc, but we cannot write directly, we have to show the steps. So we'll write, if the 2 volume of ethane is forming 4 volumes of carbon dioxide, then 600, which is the volume given to us, 600 cc would form X. So it's very simple. We have to find the value of X, which is 600 into 4 divided by 2. So 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 1200 cc. So 1200 cc of carbon dioxide is formed. So first answer is 400 cc of unused oxygen and 1200 cc of carbon dioxide gas is formed.